Have a spectator provide a deck of cards. Ask the spectator to find the ace of spades and place it on the bottom of the deck. Explain to them that the ace of spades can act as a wormhole. Next, have the spectator think of any card and place it on the bottom of the deck. Explain that the ace of spades wormhole draws a lot of energy from the magician. Therefore, have the spectator remove about half of the deck and then place their card on the top of the deck. Have the spectator spread out the cards and show everyone that the wormhole is on the bottom and the spectator's card is on the top. Have the spectator give you the deck of cards and show everybody that your hands are empty. Place the deck in your left hand and ask for full attention on the wormhole. Place your right hand in front of the deck and explain that the wormhole is drawing energy out of you in order to draw the ace of hearts. Spread the deck to show that the ace of hearts has indeed moved through the deck and is no longer at the back of the deck. Although this trick can be done with the full deck, it's much easier to do it with a half of a deck. With practice, you can eliminate the story of the wormhole drawing a lot of energy and just use the whole deck. But for now, I'll show you this easier version. For this demonstration, we'll use a two of hearts on the top of the deck and an ace of spades on the bottom. You can develop any story about this arrangement. I prefer the wormhole version. The first step is to isolate the back card, like this. The best way to do this is right after they hand you the deck, and you place it into your left hand, like this. Make sure you keep your right hand fingers closed, and the entire hand slightly cupped, so people can't see what's going on behind your right hand. Also, don't let anyone stand to this side. Generally, people should be in front of you. For this tutorial, I am closer than normal to the observer for instruction purposes. Normally, you'd be further away. Practice in front of a mirror. You'll be surprised how much leeway you have for viewing angles. Practice this maneuver while placing the deck into your left hand. Just pull out this corner of the spectator's card. While showing that both hands are empty, keep that separation. I use my ring finger on my right hand. Practice transferring from hand to hand in front of the mirror until it's smooth and usual. After placing the deck into your left hand, then the real action begins. I'll lift up my right hand so you can see. Using your index and middle finger, grab the corner of the spectator's card and pull down and back. Once the side of the card has cleared the deck, just move the card forward towards your right hand. The goal is to have the side of the card touch your palm. The palm of your right hand will control the card. The card's back should be up. If everything is squared up into position, then you should be able to balance the card on your left hand's fingers. Using slight pressure with your right hand, make fine adjustments in order to get the card lined up even with the deck. From the observer's point of view, it looks like you're drawing energy through the wormhole. I'll show you it all once again. Practice this over and over until it's smooth and quick. As long as the card gets to the front, you'll have plenty of time to adjust it, like this. It looks like you're doing some kind of magic gestures. Now it's totally just a matter of timing. You'll just be using your left-hand fingers to flip the card up quickly, while you'll do some sort of mojo with your right hand. For the performance, I moved my right hand forward and touched the card. This is sometimes easier for timing, but spreading your fingers has a better effect in my opinion, like this. Keep practicing everything and eventually it will become effortless. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.